So, bit of news. This is the first thing I've been sent because of social media. So, Instagram this was when the fabricating farmer I am. Alright. You'll see now what it is. I'll have to open a bit more, but I'll open it up then and I'll show you what I've been sent then. Okay. So you can see what is E-mark tractor parts. So I've opened it, but I'll gently turn it in my camera. So nice steel ruler. Pen. Baseball cap. You'll often find me wearing these in the summer then. Mug for tea. Little placemat for the mug, supposedly. And a keychain bottle opener. So thank you very much for sending this. So I got talking to them on Instagram then. I'm the fabricating farmer on there. So they sent these out to me. I've never seen anyone give a proper engineering ruler for, a proper steel one, And to us, the mugs and the pens and the caps are always, in demand here. So thank you very much for sending all this stuff. It's very, very kind of you, then. So E-mark now, they do a lot of engine parts then. So notice like, the 4/8 on a piston, etc. So yes. Thank you very much again. I'm chuffed with that, then. It's the first thing I've ever gotten through the social media so far, then. So thank you very much for that. So I was saying the other day about power harrow being good, not pitted. So this is Lely, and you see it's all pitted into, it's rough and all on top is. So that's because like soil jumps off, sort of settles on it, then soil off wheels goes on it and rusts them in, left there and rust. So when you do paint this, and the gearbox went on this one. It split. Well, it had a split gearbox then. So we bought that of one with the headstock for the square headstock I was saying to modify, cut it up and repair one. So we have a gearbox off that to put on this and the new cog and everything for it as well. So we need to take that cog off and put in the matching cog for everyone and put it on, probably matched gears anyway. So that's the Roterra. It's a bit older than the headstock we have, the one with the gearbox all broken up. It must have been a newer model, heavier headstock, But the thing as well, this is just flat bar with some slots in it. A bar just rides up like that. I have seen there's some men that have like a hook here, so the bottom's missing. There's like a pin here, and the bar, like you put the bar on the tractor first, and you back up to it, and it goes up into hooks. And then you have like peg here, as like a ring on the thing, and you put the ring over the peg, and put a clip to lock it. Wouldn't mind getting those, only to us. I've actually moved these back as well. These were right out to start with. Probably made for a tractor short arms then, but only a couple bolts. I wouldn't mind getting other ones to change it over. Quite handy to put on, only, well, back up to it, hook on, shaft, top link, and away, really. But yeah, so I was saying, this needs a coat of paint as well. I need to take the wire brush to it and spray it with red oxide then before it gets any worse. And it's right now, but it could rust into holes or something. So yes, that's the Roterra. So we'll hopefully future, not too distant then, hopefully. We'll have a couple power harrows going at the job at the same time then. Or maybe a spare for one spare then. But hopefully not. Okay. That's it from me for now then, really. Thank you very much. Go now.